Good morning from the beautiful, at least from what I can see from my balcony, port of Ketchikan. At least this is. That's kind of cool too. And it's just 6:43 in the morning. So hopefully the sun will come up. Don't look at my face. I just woke up like a half hour ago. We have an excursion at 8 o'clock. And we have to be off the ship to go to it at 7:20 or be at our meeting area at 7:20. So, we're dressed. Just jeans, t-shirt, holding gut in.
So I guess it would be easy to say you see one Alaskan site, you'll see them all, but I don't totally agree with that. Every landscape is different, and this is no different. This is Ketchikan. It's Thursday, September 29th, 2022, and we're going out to do the duck ride. It's a boat that travels on land and sea. So I think we'll have a good time doing that. Looking forward to it. It's just always good to get a shot once you get into a port. And so that's what I've done. So we better go though. It's 7 o'clock. And we're on our way out. Let's get what? Oh, a picture. Okay.
Know that you're on an island right now?
No.
Yes! Ketchikan is on an island. It's called Revillagigedo. Can everyone say that?
No.
It's Revillagigedo, but don't worry, the locals have a hard time with it too. We call it Revilla Island for short. Or even more simple, The Rock, as most of this island is granite.
Oh, wow.
So we now just turn on to Spruce Mill Way. It's called that because this area is where the old spruce mill used to be. So the industry has changed a lot over the years. It was more based on mining and logging. Now it is fishing, but mainly tourism. 70% of the industry here is tourism. Bordellos, the old red light district, yes. So this area is where all the upstanding citizens used to live, and then kept getting caught going through the front entrance of the Bordellos. So Mary Manchell was closed the back way. Used to just be a mud path, and Dolly got smart and charged an extra 50 cents to clean off the mud for the men's boots who visit her. We have our skate park, which on very rainy days doubles as our public swimming pool. Also our fields where the local kids like to play baseball, football, soccer, track and field. What do you notice about these fields? No grass, exactly. It rains so much here in Ketchikan, about 13 feet a year, that if there was grass, it would just be a big mud slide.
the duck tour, which, oops, that's the duck boat there. That's not the one we were on. But we just got off the duck tour and now we're just walking. We got until 11 o'clock to catch a shuttle to get us back to the ship. Now there's a couple of ships. This is Holland America. That's the Norwegian Spirit. And we're like 20 minutes away. The Norwegian Bliss. So we just ordered us some food from Dee's Fish and Chip Shack. Salmon, fish, and chips. So this is beautiful. It's nice. It's not cold. I'm layered up. I got my coat open. It's kind of like a raincoat. And of course, I don't know if I said, the first time I came to Alaska, I was tripping. I forget what city we landed in first. That was our first cruise. And I said, wow, this town has a lot of jewelry stores. I had no clue. That I don't get it. That's what they, I guess maybe that's their industry. Maybe that's from a long time ago. Jewelry, diamonds are prevalent. But regardless, we're gonna get something to eat and then maybe walk around a bit if we have time. This was a really, really short day, so that's kind of a drag. All I can say for anything that we've seen since we've been here, even in Juneau, which we didn't see anything, it's beautiful and it's quiet. It doesn't make any sense. That's not a bad thing. It's peacefully quiet. So here's the fried salmon. I won't lie. This is more like chips and fish. Unless this salmon has a hellified taste that just makes you say, oh, okay. I didn't need a lot. But this is salmon. Everybody loves his little bucket hats. Maybe is it the hat? Is it how the hat frames his face? I wonder what it is.
Inquiring minds want to know.
Inquiring minds want to know. We were on the bus, and a lady asked him about his hat, and he was like, "And it's waterproof." She says, "I see."
I don't know how she can see it.
Yeah, I'm not sure, but that's what she said. There, and I bought I bought a T-shirt and a little bitty totem pole to maybe put on my desk. Okay, so we're leaving Ketchikan. Like I said earlier, it was a very short day, but it was still a nice day. I wonder if there's such a thing as being too relaxed. If it is, this is where I am. Look at this beautiful plate.
Los Lobos.
So we got back on the ship at...
That's an early day.
Yeah, we got
After
up.
a late night.
Yeah, we went to bed last night about 1 o'clock. Listen to me, I mean, it was an awesome time. Listen to this band. I don't remember the name of them. Ciclo. And they were doing rock and roll. Then there was another band before them, the Temperature Band, that was doing Motown. Some of it. It was just music all night. And so then we got into bed forgetting that our excursion today was at 8 o'clock. Forgetting that we had to be off the ship at 7 o'clock because we're 20 minutes away from the pier. I mean, from wherever the excursion was leaving from. So we got up and got out of the room at 10 minutes to 7?
Yep.
10 minutes to 7. So we did our excursion.
Man, they do the table side walk along with.
The menu is smallish.
Yeah,
But remembering when you come to a Mexican restaurant, you get the chips and salsa fries. Don't eat too much. And then you get your appetizer, which we were thinking queso fundido. Then, I don't know if you get a salad. I don't want one. Then the meal. Mine would either be the guawachinango, which is red snapper, or, where did it go? Chile relleno. Oh, no enchiladas. I thought about it. Or a taco. I don't know. But anyway, there's tons to eat. And I'm about to be full in just a second. But we got back on this ship at, what, 11:30, a quarter to 12?
Yeah.
I sat outside for a second, talked to my mom. And then we pulled off at about 1 o'clock. Then crashed hard. And woke up at about 4:30. So we don't reach our next port until 8 o'clock tomorrow night. So technically we have another sea day. Did it again. Queso fundido and a salad.
Beet salad.
Oh, a beet salad. We're in the theater to see Jersey Boys, and we're sitting in special seats. Special seats. These seats are for the people who pay the big bucks and stay in the fancy rooms. But a guy in a blue suit, ship jacket with gold stripes told us we could sit here. So, there you go. Just left the show Jersey Boys, and it was a pretty good show. We come back on this ship next month, and I want to see it again, because I like the Frankie Valley and the Four Seasons. And I won't lie. I toast a little bit. Not because the show was bad, but our dinner was so filling. I don't know where my eyes are looking. But anyway, if you get on the Bliss, you should see Jersey Boys. Right. Oh man, can't nobody read that. It's like a restaurant.
Mm-hmm. The ambience is nice, yeah. What they do then, when it's time to go, they turn the lights up.
And they're right, like in the clubs.
That's how it was the other night.
We're at the local again. This is our favorite place. This setup is different than the Encore and the Joy. The local this used to be Ocean's. Then I think they have these on most of the other ships. And it's like a 24-hour pub or something, bar and grill. These are the new wings that they're offering. I might have said this before on the Norwegian Bliss. I don't know about anybody else. They used to be fried, but from what I understand, a couple of weeks ago they changed their menu. I think that was wrong. Casablanca. Never seen it before. Tomorrow's the last day. Curtains are closed. I'm getting ready to pull the cover over my head. See you tomorrow. Oh, and tomorrow we go to Victoria, Canada, and we get in at 8 o'clock at night. So we will have to pack sometime during the day, and we got what they call Port Valet for Seattle. So it's no cost to us. We just get our luggage outside the door and they will take it, get it to the airport, get it on the plane, and then we won't see it again until we get to the airport in Chicago. I think that's pretty cool. We have an excursion in Seattle, but we still have tomorrow, where we have an excursion tomorrow night. I think it's like a pub crawl or something where we're going to learn about different whiskeys and beer.
Droopy neighbor.
Droopy neighbor.